Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I have this knife that was sent over to me by the people at CJRB, and I have to say I'm loving this little knife. So the first thing we're gonna notice here is that there's a hole. This hole is to put it around your keys, and also there's a threaded hole where you can actually put this very sturdy and good quality pocket clip over on this side so you can carry it on either side. You will also have the quick release button right here, as well as two thumb studs as located here, and this is to help flick the knife open just like that. The blade on this knife is just beautiful, featuring the CJRB logo. This knife is made out of R.R.P.M 9 durable and rust-proof steel. So cold. If you're in the market for a small but mighty everyday knife, the EDC Mica by CJRB is the perfect choice for its comfortable grip and compact size.